to resolve your FACEIT ban swap verification issue. Since this involves account verification and policy conflicts, the solution is a combination of steps you take and how to escalate it properly. Step 1. Gather all evidence before contacting FACEIT again. Make sure you have 1. Ticket 1585345 and any correspondence with support. 2. Screenshots showing your main account ban ended, your Smurf account verification linked, any responses where FACEIT admitted an error. Open quote, this makes your case clear and hard to ignore. Close quote. Step 2. Submit a high-priority support ticket. 1. Go to FACEIT support, https:/support.faceit.com. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Choose account verification, ban review. 3. Title it clearly. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Paste a concise summary. You can use this template. You can see the code in our conversation history. Open quote, attach screenshots for proof. Close quote. Step 3. Escalate if standard support fails. If normal support agents don't resolve it, tag FACEIT staff on Reddit, Discord, Twitter, FACEIT_Darwin, FACEIT Infinity G. Explain the issue briefly and politely, including ticket numbers. Open quote, public escalation often gets faster responses from senior support. Close quote. Step 4. Avoid further mistakes. Do not create new Smurf accounts. Only verify your main account once FACEIT resolves the issue. Keep all correspondence saved. Step 5. Follow up. Wait 24 to 48 hours after submission. If no response, reply politely, referencing the previous ticket and evidence. Keep one thread rather than opening multiple tickets to avoid confusion. Expected outcome. FACEIT should unlink your ID from the Smurf. Your main account should be re-verified and playable. The ban swap correction will reflect the original 1-month penalty, not a permanent block.